We finished our head. We have it all painted. We got the eyes in. Put the back of the head on. So mouth's working good. So now we want to do our wig. So you see we got these screws here, one there and one here. So if you ever have to get into the back to make repairs, you just unscrew these two screws and that back will come off. The other thing you have to do is you will have to take the wig off. So we put the wig on with staples to keep the wig on. So if you got to take the back off, you're going to have to loosen the wig, take the staples out, then you can open up the back if you ever have to get inside. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to staple this down. Gotta find our center here. Go. So we're going to finish putting the wig on. Then we're going to put our hands that we have here. We'll get them attached to the body and get her dressed and she'll be done. Thanks for watching.